Hello guys, so I bought this castle powder and I want to use it on my face. So I found another better way that you can use castle powder to make face mask for a better glow up. So first of all, let me not assume that everyone knows castle powder. It comes from a tree known as gob tree in Somalia. The powder comes from a grounded dried castle leaves from the tree. So castle can also be used in so many ways, not only face mask. The first way you can use castle is you can use it on your face to treat acne if you have acne, because it has antibacterial properties which diminishes acne causing bacteria. And also the second use of castle is to remove blemishes, including those that are caused by other bacterial infections that result to redness. So if you have redness on your face, castle is the best product that you can use to remove them. The third use of castle, it can also be used as a face cleanser, which I will show you in my next coming videos, how to use castle as a face cleanser. And it can also be used as a hair shampoo. I'll also make another video on hair mask because of high level of saponin in it. It also promotes volume and hair strength to promote hair growth. On my next video, I will show you how to use castle on hair. So I hope you have subscribed and you turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified. And finally, castle can also be used as a face mask, which I want to show you today. There's different ways that you can use castle to make face masks. So today I'm going to show you this better way that I found out. So you're going to have your honey in a container or a mixed bowl, and there are turmeric, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. You mix them well all together. Then you'll get your castle powder. This one I got from Goddess Beauty. You can Goddess Organic. You can find them on social media, Facebook and Instagram. So you'll add the great castle powder in the mixture and mix well. Also 1 tablespoon. Honey was 2.5 tablespoons. You'll stir with a spoon until everything is mixed well. So after it has mixed, make sure you have washed your face, and now you can apply the mask using a brush, makeup brush, or even your fingers. Leave it on your face for 20 minutes and wash with lukewarm water. Then apply your best moisturizer. So guys, that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching and see you next time on my next. Bye.